welcome to one more video of box info. Today we are going to unbox this Hikvision 5MP dome camera. These are the specifications written on the box. This is a 2.8mm lens which comes with the box and 20mm IR. So let me just open the box and show you the content inside. So very simple packaging here. We just have one camera and these are the screws which we need for the fitting of this camera. There are only 3 screws here, but 2 screws will be more than enough for this camera. So let me remove this polythene bag here. This is a 5 megapixel Hikvision dome camera. I need to remove this protective film here. Let me just take the screwdriver and remove it. So it has a single IR here. This camera has a built-in mic inside. You can connect the audio from this camera. It has a 5 megapixel sensor and this is a lens here, 2.8mm lens. So pretty decent design here. This is the plastic built body here. And Hikvision branding here. So this is the BNC connection for the video input. It's just a male and female connection here. This, as you can see. So we do have one more cable here for the DC input. So this is the power input here. We can provide the power from this input here, and we do have this switchable video input here. Let me just remove this cap here. So it has a small button here, and there is a waterproof gasket here. There's a rubber gasket. So you just need to hold this button for 5 seconds and the video will switch to any desirable video output you want. So this has a pan and tilt option here. Once you have set the camera, and you can use that as according to you want. So let me just remove the housing here. This is the mounting plate for the camera, where you can see there is a 2 screw input here. By this you can mount the camera on any surface you want. This is the housing of the camera. And the main body of the camera. This is not waterproof, but yeah, it can has a little bit splash proof and resistance of the water, but you can't put it outside of the camera. For the outside purpose, you can use bullet cameras. So this is it, guys. This is the Hikvision 5MP dome camera. built-in mic. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, Jai Hind.